Ever pondered the mysteries of the universe, the wonders of our world, the peculiarities of our existence? Well, it's time to dive into a whirlpool of fun and interesting facts that might just surprise you. Fact number 1. Did you know that a day on Venus lasts longer than a year on Venus? Yes, it's true. Venus has a slow axis rotation which takes 243 Earth days to complete its day. The orbit of Venus around the Sun is 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus less than its day. Moving on to fact number 2. The human body is a marvel, but did you know that the human body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch long nail? It's a bizarre thought, but the iron in our blood, if extracted, could indeed be fashioned into a small piece of hardware. Fact number 3, let's delve into the realm of animals. A blue whale's heartbeat can be heard from over 2 miles away. The heart of a blue whale is so powerful that its beat can reverberate for miles underwater. Now, for fact number 4. The universe is ever expanding. But did you know that there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way? Yes, Earth is home to over 3 trillion trees, while the Milky Way has less than 400 billion stars. And finally, fact number 5. The world's largest desert is not the Sahara, but Antarctica. While deserts are typically associated with heat and sand, they are in fact defined by low precipitation levels. Antarctica, with its minimal rainfall, is technically the largest desert in the world. So, to summarize, Venus has a day that's longer than its year. The human body contains enough iron to make a small nail. A blue whale's heartbeat can be heard from over 2 miles away. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way, and Antarctica is the world's largest desert. Each of these facts is a testament to the diversity and wonder of our universe, from the peculiarities of celestial bodies to the astonishing capabilities of life on Earth. The world is full of surprises, with more to discover every day. So, continue to ponder, continue to question, and continue to explore the fascinating world of facts. Because, as Albert Einstein once said, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing.